Assalamu alaikum everybody in grade 3 and welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to talk or we'll continue talking about subtracting with renaming. Today we're going to use another method, which is a normal method you already know, to subtract two numbers with renaming. So let's have the first example for today. Subtract 46 from 95. When it says subtract means minus or plus, it means minus. Okay, subtract 46 from 95. Which number is more the other than the other? Which number is more than the other? 46 is big or 95 or 95? 95 is more than 46, so this means I can subtract or I can take 46 from 95 because 95 is the bigger number. So I'm going to say 95 minus 46. Minus 46. This means let's take 46 from this number. Okay? And let's see how much is going to left. Okay? Alright, let's restart this. We can use the table. Okay, the ones and tens table. Ones and tens. 59. Where is the ones? Where is the tens? 5 is in the ones and 9 is in the tens, right? What about 46? Where is the ones? 6 or 4? In the ones is 6 because it's in the right. So 6 is the ones and 4 is the tens. Now we can subtract easily. Okay, can do subtraction. This is minus. So 5 minus 6. Can you take 5 from the 6? I mean, can you take 6 from the 5? If I tell you you have 5 pens or 5 pencils, and I told you to give me 6 pencils, can you do that? No, you cannot, because you have only 5. You cannot give me 6 pencils. This is the same. We cannot take 6 pencils from 5 pencils. So what should we do? We need to borrow. We need to take one. From where? From the next place, from the tens. I'm going to take one from the 9. The 9 becomes what? Becomes 8. And the one I take, I'm going to add it to the 5. So it's going to be 1, 5. Okay? I put it next to the 5. So it's not going to be 6. No. It's going to be 1, 5. Okay? This means 15. So now, 15 minus 6. Can I take 6 pens or pencils from 15 pencils? Yes, sure. 15 minus 6. Can you tell the answer? The answer is 7, right? Is it 7? No, it's not 7. The answer is 9, not 7. Okay, now here we have 8 minus 4 equals what? 4. So what is the answer? We have 9 in the ones, we have 4 in the tens. This means 49. Okay, easily 49. Okay, let's go to the second example. Okay, subtract 3 from 200. Okay, now I'm going to show you with the shape or with the units how to do this. 3 means how many ones? 3 ones, right? So 3 ones means 1, 1 and 1. How many ones? 3 ones. Okay guys? Okay, here is the ones, okay, tens and hundreds is here, right? Hundreds is here. So for 3, before that, let's do 200 minus 3 equals, okay? I'm going to use the shape or the units to show you how to subtract. So now, for the 200, how many ones in the 100 in the 200s? 0 ones, 0 tens. How many hundreds? 200s. This means 100 and 100. How many hundreds do we have? 200s. This means 200. We have 0 in the tens, 0 in the ones. But for the 3, we have 3 ones, but we don't have tens. We don't have what? We don't have hundreds. Now let's do minus. Okay, I'm going to minus ones from ones, tens from tens, hundreds from hundreds. Now in ones, what do we have here? 0, nothing. So can I take 3 from nothing? If you don't have any pencil, I tell you, give me please 3 pencils. Can you give me 3 pencils? If you don't have, no. So what you are going to do is to borrow, to take from where? From the next place. Where is the next place? Is the tens. But the tens doesn't have anything. So the tens also is going to borrow from where? From the hundreds. So I'm going to take to the hundreds, from the hundreds. How many? I'm going to take 100 because hundreds has 2. So let's take 100 here, okay, to the tens. So the tens, how many tens in 100? Can you think about it? How many tens in 100? We have 10 tens, right? Like this, 10, 10. Okay, let's draw it with the red pen. 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I already took this 100 and placed it or put it in the tens. But in terms of the tens, this means 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 10 tens means 100. So I already took this 100, put it here, okay? So I got 10 tens, right? Because we are in the tens place. Now the 10 have how many tens? It has 10 tens. Can now the 10 gives the can the tens give the ones? Yes, she can, or it can give the ones 110. So this 10 is going to be here, okay? Okay, how many ones here? This is ones. I'm going to take this 10, put it here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many ones? 10 ones. Where do these 10 ones came from? They came from this 10. I took one, okay? Then how many tens here? This is no longer here, okay? No longer, this 10 no longer is here because I took it and put it here. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens, okay? How many ones here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because I took this 10 and put it here. And here I have only 100 because I already borrowed this 100 and put it here. Now, can I take 3 from the 10? Yes. So I'm going to take 3. 1, 2, 3. This 3, I took it from here. Then how many ones left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. How many tens here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many hundreds are in the hundreds? I have 100. So what is the answer? 197. 197 is the answer. So let's try another way to minus. Here is ones, here is what? Tens, and here is hundreds. Okay, Okay, I have 200s, I have here minus 3 in ones, tens, or hundred is in the ones, right? So I'm going to say 0 minus 3, 0 minus 0 is 2 minus 0. Okay, so 0 minus 3, what can I take 3 from 0? No. So what should I do? I should borrow from the next place. What is in the next place in the tens? It is 0. So 0 cannot give anything to 0, right? So this 0 in the tens is going to borrow from the hundreds. The hundreds have two hundreds, sorry, 200s. So it's going to give 100 here. It's going to be 100, right? Because there are two, as here, 2, and when we took 100, it becomes 100, and this 0 becomes how many tens? 10 tens, right? So this becomes 10 tens. This is 10 tens. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 tens is going to be here, but then this 0 is going to borrow from where? From this, from the tens. Here we have 10 tens, okay, like this, and then I'm going to take 1 10 to the ones. I'm going to take 1 10 to the ones. This is going to be what? When I take 1 from the 10, it's going to be 9. And the 0 becomes how many ones? 10 ones, because I already take 1 10. Okay, so the 0 becomes what? When I take 1, it becomes 10. Okay, now I can subtract 3 from 10. I can take 3 from 10. 10 minus 3 is what? 7. 9 minus 0 is 9. 1 minus 0 is 1. Is it the same answer? 197, 197. So the answer is 197. This is all for today. I want you to do homework, page 60, question number 2 and 3 in the book. See you guys, but you don't forget question number 2. Please do it like this. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.